Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, how about that intro? Did you like the intro to today's Paint With Me? Oh my gosh, I was so excited to learn how to film that. I've been wanting to have an aesthetic film intro for Paint With Me. So I might have that intro for the video or something, I don't know, but I thought it was pretty epic, and I had to make it epic with epic music. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So, hopefully you guys are ready to paint with me and to enjoy a painting session. And yes, I'm using watercolor. I've been learning how to paint skin in watercolor, and it's been really fun and everything. And yeah, so I am not really, well, I kind of am doing a portrait, but then again, not really. And the reason I say that very loosely is because I'm studying on the nose and mouth and doing the chin area and neck area as well, so I'm studying on that. Just to prep myself to do a big portrait or something like that, and just to paint and have fun and just studying the skin tone colors. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I might put the rest of the video on music. I hope you guys don't mind. Just paint along with me and have fun. Let me know what you think about the intro, because I had so much fun filming it and making it slow motion like that, and exactly how I envisioned it. So I'm really hyped for today's video. So yeah, I didn't finish the portrait on camera. I finished that off camera, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy for this video. Yeah, so I'm going to put music on the rest of it. Maybe not epic music, but something calming to relax you guys and continue watching the video. And I forgot to mention, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I do cartoon, portraits, work, watercolor, anything I can get my hands on. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye guys.